What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about what do I do in the winter when it's freezing for my mobile welding business. And that's kind of an in-depth question, but a lot of it is snow plow repair, because obviously it's snowing out and there's a lot of rust with the salt, and that breaks down the snow plow. And I also do a lot of excavators, bobcats, a lot of tree work stuff for tree work people. And yeah, so right now it's about 4 degrees outside. It's gonna get down to about -6 tonight. Pretty cold. So basically that's what I do in the winter. It's hard to sometimes keep busy in the winter by just without as much stuff going on in regards to it's being cold outside, not as many people are doing construction, stuff like that. But it's definitely hard to stay busy, but I try my best to stay busy and to keep myself with enough work. And like I said in previous videos, I don't do this full time, but I do this on the side, and eventually I'd like to go full time into this. However, right now it's just not a possibility. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm going to do a part 2 on this video, and thanks for watching.